Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to video on CapCut PC. So all you have to do is open your CapCut PC version and try to make a new project. This is for example, and try to drag media here. You can add the media here first, and here I already add three material in here. It's about elephants. Elephant ride in Sri Lanka, elephant in savannah of Zimbabwe, and people or person ride the elephant. So I want to add transition here. So all you have to do is tap on this transition or click this transition feature at the top, this one, and try to search or try to use the apply the transition in here. You can choose as you wish. Here, for example, and you can click on this add button. Okay, and then you can click on this transition and apply to all. See, there is still transition here with the same effect. So let's try to play. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.